SimpleTix now has a direct integration with AWeber. That means no third party like Zapier is required. In this video, I'll show you how to take your email marketing to the next level. In this video, we'll set up a new AWeber account, connect it with our SimpleTix account, set up the default subscriber list that new ticket buyers are added to, and also what tags are applied to their accounts. And we'll show you how to set up different tags for different events. All right, let's get started.
Okay, we'll start off by creating our AWeber account. And now we'll verify our email address. Fantastic. Now we'll set up our password. And we'll continue with the free plan, and we'll click continue. Awesome. Now we're going to fill out our profile here. I will change our profile name from my personal name over to our company name, and this will be Asheville Zoo. And we'll drop in our SimpleTix URL here. Keep in mind, after people approve their double opt-in, this is the URL that they'll be redirected to. Next, we'll choose our industry. And I'll choose Event Planner. And I'll say, I understand the basics. And now we'll put in our address. Our estimated number of email subscribers. We're not coming from another marketing tool for now, so I'll choose none. Our business goal is to promote events. And lastly, we'll specify that we're using SimpleTix for our business. Perfect. Now let's look at our list. I'll go over to subscribers. Now, the very first thing I recommend doing is setting up a couple tags. Tagging new subscribers is the best way to segment your list. For example, tagging customers based on what types of events they went to will allow you to send more targeted emails in the future. I'll go over to Frank Sinatra here, and I'll put in some tags here like SimpleTix. I'll do events. I'll say fall events. There we go. There's a couple tags I've now created, and I'll click save. This is the only way to create tags with AWeber, is doing it on one profile like that. Now let's connect AWeber with our SimpleTix account. So the very step is to go to Settings, then choose Plugins, and then choose AWeber. Now you'll connect with AWeber by clicking here. And now log into AWeber one more time. Awesome. Now AWeber and SimpleTix are connected. The very first step is to choose what list we'd like all of our subscribers to be automatically added to. So I'll choose Asheville Zoo, and now I'll specify what tags are automatically applied to each subscriber. So I'll choose the tags here. We'll go with SimpleTix, and we'll go with events. And we'll click save. Don't worry, later on I'll show you how to customize the tags per event. Now SimpleTix and AWeber are completely connected. All ticket buyers will automatically be added to the Asheville Zoo list inside of AWeber, and these two tags will automatically be applied, SimpleTix and events. Let's do a test order now to see how it works. So if we refresh our subscriber list in AWeber, we will now see Mark's sample. That was the test order. Now, if you notice here, it says pending. No worries. As soon as Mark approves the double opt-in request, they'll be subscribed. Let me show you how that works. So Mark will have to click this link on the email to confirm the subscription. There it is. Awesome. Now let's take a look at our subscriber list in AWeber again, and we can see that Mark is subscribed. We can also click Mark's profile and see that these two tags are also applied here. Now, the beauty of the SimpleTix integration with AWeber is that you can do different tags per event. So let's say this is a corn maze event and you wanted to offer a different tag for corn mazes. So the very first step is to go down to my AWeber settings down here, choose which list they'll go to, and choose which tags they'll have. So I want to have SimpleTix, I want to have events, I also want to have fall 2023, and I also want to have agro-tourism. So that will allow us to do more segmentation in the future. So for example, if I wanted to email blast everybody that was in my from SimpleTix, but didn't buy fall 2023 events, I could do that. So now I'll choose save. And now we're all set up. Let's do one more test order to see how it works. Awesome, let's go to our subscriber list and click refresh. And we now see Martha on the list. I'll go ahead and choose Martha right now. And we can see those additional tags are added to Martha's profile. And again, these tags were specific for that one event.
Thanks for watching our video today on how to use SimpleTix with AWeber. If you have any questions, shoot us an email to support@simpletix.com and we'll get back to you and give you some guidance on how to do email marketing and segmentation.